Paano kung isang araw mawala lahat ng pinaghirapan mo? Yung business mo, pangarap mo, parang bula. In 2018, I was studying naturopathy. I applied what I learned in aromatherapy and herbology, creating products from plant oils and extracts for our spa clients. Pero I felt kulang pa. So I took a diploma course on natural skin and hair care formulation, then move on to a diploma on skincare science, hanggang sa natapos ko ang cosmetic chemistry. This study became the lifeboat that saved me from the storm. Dahil nung dumating ang pandemic noong 2020, I had to shut down my day spa business. Dahil ang taas ng rent at walang kasiguruduhan kung kailan uli pwedeng magbukas ang business. Lalo na sa spa industry na may direct contact sa clients. It felt like I lost more than just a business. I lost my identity, my purpose. But God is faithful. Despite the uncertainty, I continued practicing to sharpen my formulation skills. Wala pa akong clear na direction, pero I held on. Then one day, a company reached out. They asked me to formulate their skincare line. They placed a big order, then another, then clients started coming. Slowly, bumalik ang pag-asa and I could dream again. Kaya kung feeling mo lost ka ngayon at walang direksyon, don't give up. Whatever you're doing now, kahit parang walang purpose, just give your absolute best. Hindi mo alam kung paano gagamitin ng Panginoon that small seed you're planting to lift you up. For God is the restorer. He can restore what the locusts have eaten in your life. Just trust His plan. I'm Chat De Los Santos, now an accomplished cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath. This is all because of God's grace.